Then what
So
has
there
to
is
be
there is some
considered? See, one thing, if both the parents of a person are IAS officers, and you say that even then you have
Then
to
they are
give
removed.
reservation to their children, then where is
No,
the
no, no, no.
prejudice?
Then they are removed. Then they are removed. My lords, then they are removed not on salary, but because of their status, because they are a group A employees. Then they are removed. Group B are also removed. It is all about status, my lords.
See,
This issue,
one thing,
issue
Alright,
requires,
alright.
my lords,
see, one
examination.
thing with
Alright.
economic education and economic empowerment, there is social mobility. So then again to seek reservation for the children, we will never get out of it. That is a matter we have to concern also. What is the use then? You are giving reservation, the parents have studied, they are in good jobs, they are getting good income, and the children want reservation again. See, they should get out of reservation.
My lords, this is about Karnataka's creamy layer. And the issue is, my lords, that there are divergent opinions by the coordinate benches. My lords, ideally, if my lords may,
You are appointed as an assistant engineer.
I was not appointed,
Now
my
they
lords.
say-
I was not
You are
appointed.
not yet appointed.
Not
but
yet appointed.
They say that you come in the creamy layer.
Which is not the case, my lords. They have misapplied the
Both your,
OAM.
both your parents are in government service.
Yes, but my lords, kindly open page 78, my lords.
See, the
78.
social status would improve with economic empowerment.
My
Both
lord,
your
salary.
parents are in government, and you
I beg
still want reservation.
My lord, I beg your pardon, my lords. I'll just inform you, my lords, on the creamy layer jurisprudence, my lords. The salary is not the criteria, my lords. When government servant, when parents are government servants, the class, my lord, I beg your pardon, my lords. I'll just explain in a minute, my lords. Page 78, my lords. The
See,
creamy layer jurisprudence.
One more thing you should understand. With economic empowerment, there is also social mobility.
Definitely, my lords, but what kind of income is taken in creamy layer is the income from other source and business, etc. It is not the salary income, it is not the agriculture income. For salaried class, the class is to be seen of parents, whether parents work in group A, group B, because my lords, there is a reason. My lords, there is a reason. My lords, there is a reason to it. Why? Because my lords, if salary is seen, even drivers, peons, clerks, jamadars, everybody will be removed.
The father is
Salary,
getting
my lord, just open page 78, my lord. Just 1 minute.
53,900 per month, basic. And the mother is getting 52,650 per month.
My lords, that has not to be taken. My lord, just page 78, my lord. 1 minute. 1 minute, page 78. There is category 2. And
see,
page,
you want
my
us.
lords, one page. My lords, one page. Important clarification.
Tend to examine this.
Don't ask for any interim order. No interim order.
No interim order, my lord. Just issue notice so that this is a deep issue, has to be examined. That's it.
See, but you also see.
My lord, page 62, my lords. If father and mother, husband, wife of the applicant is working in the state government, then while assessing the eligibility, salary and other allowances, benefits should not be considered. That is clear, my lords.
Then what
So
has
there is some
See, one thing, if both the parents of a person are IAS officers, and you say that even then you have
then they are removed.
To their children, then where
No,
is
no, no, no. Then they are removed. My lords, then they are removed not on salary, but because of their status, because they are a group A employees. Then they are removed. Group B are also removed. It is all about status, my lords. This issue requires, my lords, examination.
With economic education and economic empowerment, there is social mobility. So then again to seek reservation for the children, we will never get out of it. That is a matter we have to concern also. What is the use then? You are giving reservation, the parents have studied, they are in good jobs, they are getting good income, and the children want reservation again. See, they should get out of reservation. Yes.
I bow down, but my lords, this issue requires deeper examination, my lords.
Social mobility is always there with education and empowerment, economic empowerment. There is social mobility.
Well, that is there, but there has to be some difference between EWS and creamy layer also. Otherwise, there shall be no difference whatsoever. if all the
No.
incomes will be added. And there was my lords, creamy layer jurisprudence comes with a history.
See,
The Indra Sahni
in
judgment came, then
EWS,
Prasad,
there will be-
Ramnandan Prasad
in
committee was there.
EWS, there is no social backwardness, but only,
Exactly.
there is only economic backwardness.
My lords, that is why the criteria in creamy layer has to be much above, much liberal than EWS. If both will be equated, then
Just
there
take
shall be no
notice.
difference.
Don't ask
Take
for
notice
anything.
now, you
You
take
are not
notice.
Please.
appointed, no?
Yes.
No, you're not asking for a stay.
Issue notice to the respondents. Petitioners
Yes,
council is also permitted to serve the standing counsel for the respondent state. This,
Bow down, my lords. Deeply obliged,
Patwaria is
deeply
here,
obliged.
service expert, service matter. See, there has to be some balance.
Correct.
Correct.
Socially and educationally backward, yes. But once the parents have attained a level,
Correct.
because of taking advantage of reservation, the both IAS officers, both are in government service, they are very well placed. Social mobility is there.
Correct,
On account of
correct.
economic
Correct.
and educational
Now-
empowerment.
Now they are government orders.
Reservation,
Now they are government orders excluding all these people. They are there.
questioning the exclusion.
No.
Some government orders,
There are larger issues.
Great,
Larger
great.
issues involved.
this, you see, this also has to be kept in mind.
Correct. Absolutely.
Correct.